Hello everyone, this is Nika Kuskus and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will going to discuss the increasing and decreasing function. First, if f prime of x is greater than, this is greater than to 0 for every x on some interval, then f of x is increasing in the interval. Second, if f prime of x is less than to 0 for every x on same interval, then f of x is decreasing on the interval. Third, if f prime of x is equal for every x on some interval, then f of x is constant on the interval. So this is increasing and decreasing and increasing again. So that's the example of a graph if a function is decreasing or increasing. So increasing function. A function is increasing when the y value increases as the x value increases. So both x and y is increases. Here, the x sub 1, x sub 2 to x sub 2. So it means positive, it is increases. We know that if a graph is increases, a value of y and x is increases. For a function y equals f of x, when says that when x sub 1 is less than to x sub 2, then f of x sub 1 is less than or equal to f of x sub 2, then it means it is increasing. When x sub 1 is less than to x sub 2, then f of x sub 1 is less than to x sub 2. It means it is strictly increasing. So example, this graph. This is also an increasing function even though the rate of the increase is reduces. Second is the interval. So the function is increasing for the interval. It's shown that it may be increasing or decreasing elsewhere. So this is the interval. It is decreasing and increasing and decreasing. So this point here, that is the interval of that function. Decreasing function. The y value decreases as the x value increases. If there is a negative, it means it is decreasing. A positive shown as represent as increases value. So x sub 1 from y to the x-axis, it is decreasing. For a function y equals f of x, says that when x sub 1 is less than to x sub 2, then f of x sub 1 is greater than or equal to f of x sub 2. It means it is decreasing. When x sub 1 is less than to x sub 2, then f of x sub 1 is greater than to f of x sub 1. It means it is strictly decreasing. So that's all for today, and see you from my next video for part 2.